Imagine you have already stored the marks of 5 students in the array. Great, but what if a new student joins? What if one student leaves? Or what if your teachers wants to find the marks of one particular student? How do we do all that? That's exactly what today's video is about. Hello everyone, so this is Abhijit and I'm welcoming you all to the Abhiverse. This is day 5 of my communication improvement journey, and today we will be making the second part of our arrays video. Suppose these are the marks of the 5 students. We have already stored them inside the array. An array is useful because it keeps similar data together. But storing data is only the beginning. Now we need to work with the data. The first operation is traversal. Imagine a teacher checking every student's marks one by one. She starts from the first student, then second student, then the third, until she reaches the last one. In programming, visiting every element one by one is called traversal. Now imagine a new student joins the class. We want to place these students in between second and third student, but there is no empty seat. So every student sitting after that position has to move one seat right. Similarly, in an array, when we insert an element in the middle, the remaining has to be shifted to make space. Now let's say one student leaves the class, an empty seat is created. To remove that gap, everyone sitting behind moves one seat forward. Arrays works the same way. When we delete an element, the remaining elements shift left to fill that empty space. Suppose the teacher wants to find the students whose marks is 68. She started checking one student after another until she finds the correct one. This process is called searching. In simple word, searching means finding the required element inside an array. So today we have learned the 4 basic operations. Traversal means visiting every element. Insertions means adding a new element. Deletions means removing an existing element. Searching means finding a particular element. These 4 operations are foundation of working with the arrays. I hope this visual representation made the concept easy to understand. In the next video, we will deep dive into linear search and see how searching actually works step by step. Until then, keep learning, keep building, and I will see you in the next